for nearly 2 decades. One device has ruled our lives: the smartphone. It is our voice, our camera, our map, our key to the digital kingdom. It knows where we go, what we search, who we love. It has become an extension of us. But in 2025,
this is Meta Ray-Ban display.
Mark Zuckerberg, a lifelong smart glasses fan, stepped on stage with his favorite vision of the future: Meta's new Ray-Ban smart glasses. Smart glasses, he said, will be the next great computing platform. A device that doesn't live in your pocket, but on your face. Not a screen you hold, but a lens through which you see. They promise a world where your phone becomes obsolete, where reality itself is your screen, where AI doesn't wait in your hand, but walks with you, whispering answers to every question. This is not just an upgrade. It is a revolution. A clash that will decide the next decade of human technology. Smart glasses versus smartphones. Who wins? 2007, Apple unveils the iPhone. And in that single moment, history pivots. Within 15 years, over 6.9 billion smartphones spread across the globe. These devices became our cameras, our wallets, our newspapers, our maps, even our doctors. Every corner of modern life now flows through that glowing rectangle. But the dominance of smartphones came at a cost. Screen addiction. Billions spend over 3 to 4 hours a day scrolling. Physical impact. Neck strain, poor sleep, eyesight fatigue. Social impact. Families at dinner, yet everyone's eyes are locked on screens. The smartphone is powerful, but power breeds stagnation. And innovators have asked the question, what replaces the phone? The dream of wearable computers is decades old. In the 1980s, researchers imagined head-mounted displays. In 2013, Google Glass burst onto the scene with promises of a futuristic lifestyle. But the world wasn't ready. The glasses were bulky, the battery weak, and the privacy concerns massive. Google Glass failed, but it planted a seed. Fast forward to 2025. Ultralight displays project crisp visuals directly into your eyes. AI assistants understand context, not just commands. And hardware is finally stylish enough to wear in public. The smart glasses revolution is no longer a fantasy. It's real. But can it dethrone the phone? Design is where the fight begins. Smartphones are slim, durable, and fit in your pocket. Glasses, however, sit on your face. That means they must be stylish. They must be lightweight. And they must feel natural, blending technology with fashion. Meta's Ray-Ban Stories 2 are a glimpse of this future. Stylish, nearly indistinguishable from sunglasses, with cameras and speakers built in. Compare that to early VR headsets that made you look like a cyborg. Design matters. Because if people won't wear it on their face, the war is lost before it begins. Smartphones have perfected the screen. Sharp, colorful, and reliable. But glasses bring an entirely new battlefield: augmented reality. Imagine this. Instead of looking down at Google Maps, arrows glow directly on the street in front of you. Instead of pulling out your phone to check messages, replies hover in your field of view. Instead of watching movies on a small rectangle, you unfold a cinema-sized screen in thin air. This is not just a new display. It's a new way of living with information. But glasses struggle with resolution, brightness outdoors, and projection quality. Smartphones still win in perfection. For now. The third round is brutal: power. Smartphones, with massive lithium-ion batteries, can last all day with heavy use. Glasses? Most collapse within 2 to 3 hours under real use. Why? Because projecting AR, running sensors, and processing AI eats power like wildfire. Some companies try external battery packs, but they ruin elegance. Until battery technology evolves, perhaps with graphene or solid-state breakthroughs, smartphones hold the crown here. This round isn't just about hardware. It's about ecosystems. Smartphones have millions of apps. From banking to gaming to medicine. They've had decades to evolve. Smart glasses? Most can barely run basic features, notifications, directions, maybe video. But the game is changing fast. With AI. Imagine AR shopping, where glasses scan products and give instant reviews. Imagine fitness coaching, where your trainer appears in your vision during workouts. Imagine virtual workspaces, replacing monitors with infinite screens. The ecosystems aren't equal yet. But glasses hold potential for an entirely new digital economy. Privacy is the shadow hanging over smart glasses. Smartphones are obvious. When the camera's on, you know it. Glasses? They could record at any moment. The world still remembers glass holes. Google Glass users banned from bars and restaurants. Until society sets rules, glasses may struggle with trust. Smartphones may drain our attention, but at least we know when they're watching. That clarity gives them the edge. This round isn't about specs. It's about human life. Smartphones force us to look down, disconnecting us from our environment. Glasses keep us looking forward, blending digital with reality. Instead of separating us from the world, glasses may reconnect us to it. A child's smile isn't missed because you are checking notifications. Navigation doesn't pull you out of the moment, it overlays seamlessly. This could be the true superpower of glasses, technology that disappears into life itself. Smartphones are reaching their peak. Sharper screens, faster chips, but still rectangles. Glasses are just starting. The future roadmap is breathtaking. Mojo Vision's smart contact lenses, turning your own eyes into displays. AI assistants integrated into glasses, whispering solutions, predicting needs. Brain-computer interfaces, eventually connecting directly to thought. Glasses could evolve into something more than a device. They could become an extension of ourselves. A true leap in human-computer symbiosis. So, who wins? In 2025, the smartphone is still king. Its ecosystem, battery, and reliability make it untouchable. But its throne is cracking. Smart glasses may not win today, but they will win tomorrow. The battle isn't about who wins now. It's about who wins next. The smartphone rules our world today. But smart glasses? They are the heirs to tomorrow. The real question isn't if they'll replace your phone. It's when. So tell me, are you team smartphone or team smart glasses? Drop your answer in the comments, your vote could decide the future. And for those who want a glimpse beyond the horizon, stay tuned. In our next video, we'll unveil 10 smart glasses that could shape our future. Devices so advanced, they might change the way you see the world. Literally.